car started, and what is that second car? Well, today I'm gonna officially announce my brand new car and go to a little car meet with the Skyline. One of my friends is coming over so he can drive the new car, which you might have seen a little bit. It is a Z. Leave in the comments down below which Z you think it might be. I mean, it's pretty obvious in the clips, but if you don't know cars, then, well, you might not get it. But, new car, we'll talk about it a little bit later in this video. Now, we just have to wait for my friend so we can go to this car meet. Hopefully, it will be kind of cool. Our local car scene kind of sucks most of the time, but we'll see. I guess. Whoa. I got right up on me. Thank you, Jeep, for almost hitting me. That was cool. And thank you, John, for honking your horn, because I don't have one. Thank you for honking my horn. What? I said thank you for honking my horn. I literally got so close to being hit, it was so stupid.
Dude, they got like that far away.
I know, I couldn't do anything and I was like...
I know.
I was like, what do I do? God, that was so stupid.
Like, what the hell?
Okay, well, here's the Skyline that almost got hit. That would have been expensive. But there's the Z.
Yo, time for train ports, dog.
It's a 370Z. I got it for really cheap. Again, I'll have more details later. But we'll see what the little car scene looks like here in a minute. It's literally a little white cart fleet going on. And then there's one more behind us. And I guess the cop car that rolled up. My car's not registered, so I'm kind of hiding that right now. It works. That's dope. I don't know why I love that so much, but I do. So rad. Kind of loud. That thing is so cool. I don't know why. Why do I love this car so much? Tell me, John, why is it cool?
Because it's a Volkswagen.
But that's not why it's cool.
Yeah, it is.
It's because it's a bug that it's cool.
It's a bagged Volkswagen.
That is. I wish I caught that on camera, but yeah, it's totally bagged. Look at it. Will it really?
Yeah.
What?
It doesn't have like a 1600 motor in it, I don't think.
That's awesome. I just realized there's tape on my exhaust. How does that work? Well, this is the Z. It's awful because it's automatic, but it's also really good because it's the newest car that I've owned. I don't have anything special about it, but it was really cheap. and now it's gonna be daily, so I can start modifying the Skyline. That's pretty much the plan with this car. And then maybe eventually sell it or something. I don't know.
Come on.
Hello.
What are you doing? Hey!
Oh, also there is that in the dash. I feel like somebody's dog or person or something tried to eat it, but yeah, I don't know. I might try a repair on that at some point and see if I can do it. Remember how you super glued something on my bumper? It fell off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we tried.
Yeah.
It's a cheap fiberglass bumper.
It's super glue.
Yeah.
You can only do so much.
But that's what the wide body's for, just to, you know, get rid of all the imperfections everywhere. My mom's gonna hate it. She already told me she's gonna hate it, but that's okay.
Oh, my neck, it's broken.
Simulator.
I'm driving the hell out of this truck, Dad.
What? I don't like the seats. They're not made for Americans.
I feel like if the steering wheel was a little bit closer to the dash, I'd feel better.
That's as close as I can get it with that quick release setup. That's the reason why I did it.
I know.
If it was pulled back further, I would have just hated it. So, when I first got this, I was trying to figure out how to pop the fuel door because there's not a switch in there.
Yeah.
I also tried to figure out how to pop the trunk. I had no clue how to do any of that, and I was like panicking because it's like, how do I do this? And it's just
I know, I was like,
just there.
It's funny as shit because I just walked up
And then
behind
here.
exactly where it was, but
Yeah.
I have Nissan.
Yeah, this is my first, you know, newer one. Have you ridden in this yet?
No, that's why I got in.
Okay, here's the camera.
You know I'm not good with camera.
That's fine.
All you're
You
gonna
just
hear
gotta film yourself.
All you're gonna hear is
Oh.
Hi, this is Keegan Cole.
That's not at all how it happens, but okay.
Hi, this is Keagle's Butt Munch.
Oh, hey, it stopped. Cool. Alright, you buckle.
No.
Alright.
It's so fast.
See how slow it is?
Yeah, but it makes cool noises.
Like, it's cool, but it's slow. That's 75. That's how long it took to get to 75.
That was a really long 30.
Yeah, that's my only, like,
Problem with it?
problem is just it's
A little
so slow. It's just a little slow. It's just fun. It makes all the good noises. Just like,
I like the turbo flutter.
I forgot you can hear it over there.
Yeah.
I can't.
Oh. Your wife is over your shit already.
Yeah. I mean, I surprised her with the 370Z without her knowing about it, so.
That's because you didn't surprise her with the 370Z. You just bought it for yourself. It's
I
like,
told her she could drive it.
it's yours.
I said it's auto, so it's perfect. If you want to drive this car, you can. And then she was like, does it have AC? And I said no. And she was like, well, fuck that.
Yeah.
It's recording, so there we
Okay.
go. Giving everybody a ride. See their reaction, I guess.
This is definitely one of my childhood dream cars. That's for sure.
Yeah, that's apparently everybody today is saying that.
Oh my gosh, this thing is sick! Wow!
There's little pops. passenger seat, you get a lot of turbo flutter noise.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can hear it, but me, I can, and it sucks because I want to hear it.
Thank you so much, man.
Yeah, no problem.
You just made one of my dreams come true right here.
That's probably my favorite thing is the popping.
Yeah. Crackles and pops are always my favorite whenever it comes to cars.
At night it gets some good flames.
Oh, nice. That turbo sounds so good.
Thank you. I hope you like it.
Oh, I do. You literally have just made my year.
Yeah. Well, good.
Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
No problem. I'll see you later. Have fun. I think I gotta head back.
Okay, that's what I was asking.
Okay. You following me, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm out of gas, so I probably won't stop and get gas.
Okay.
This is Vance. He drives the Infiniti over there, G35. It's same thing as that, but not.
I had to come out and see you pass out smiles.
Yeah. I wish I could stay a little bit longer, but
I know.
I'm hot and I've been out since like 9:45, 10
I
a.m.
literally woke up right whenever I messaged you.
Yeah.
So I was like, screwed, I'm getting out.
So for me, I almost just stayed asleep because I've been exhausted
Yeah.
from work, but it's like I need to make content, so
Yeah, for
might as
sure.
well.
Alright, dudes. Y'all be goods.
I'll let you drive it next time.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you
I get-
so much.
Thank you for the ride.
no problem. Just let me know when you want to drive it and I'll let you do it.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
I'm gonna steal it.
Okay, that's fine too. Somebody broke into it, so I mean, it's pretty easy.
Bye.
Bye. No problem. Later. Well, that brings us to the end of today's video, and I had a lot of fun. We made a lot of people laugh, we made a lot of people smile, and that's mainly because of the Skyline. It's definitely one of those dream cars that everybody wants or just wants to be around or sit in and drive, and I'm grateful enough, I'm lucky enough to own a Skyline. It's nothing special, it's not a GTR, it's a GTST, but the fact is, it's rare to the United States, it's still cool, and I'm just very grateful and lucky that I was able to share my dream with other people as well, and aspiring kids basically, because you know, not everybody gets to sit in a Skyline or ride in a Skyline, and there's a lot of people that don't want them to drive with them or ride with them, but that's not who I am. I want to, you know, grow people's dreams, aspire them to reach that dream, and also, you know, keep dreaming for myself. My plan is to get a Mark IV Super in the future, and I have quite the car collection. As you can tell with the Subaru at the beginning, the Skyline, my new 370Z, I still have another car that's behind the scenes that'll eventually be on the channel, and I also still have my mini truck that I bought like 2-3 years ago on the channel and then sold and then got it back. I have a lot of cars, and I'm very grateful that I'm able to kind of grow my dream and help grow others' dreams as well, or aspire kids to, you know, achieve their dreams, I guess. But that being said, talk about the 370Z before I end the video officially. It's just gonna be a daily vehicle so I can start working on the Skyline. About almost a year ago now, I've wanted to do the build for the Skyline and have not been able to do so, mainly because of work. It's been really hot and I don't have a designated daily driver, even though I have an STI in the driveway that was my daily, and then I got the Skyline as the daily for my daily, and now I have a 370Z for my daily, I guess, if that makes sense. It kind of doesn't. But we're gonna drive the 370, use that a little bit more for content, and then work on the Skyline on the side so I can actually start building it, because that's been a common question and comment that I get, is when are we gonna work on the Skyline or more Skyline content? And it's finally coming soon, hopefully. It's really hot in Texas, and I don't want to work on cars in the heat, so we'll see. Maybe closer to September. I don't know. Again, I don't want to be outside in 100-degree weather, so yeah. But again, I'm very grateful, and I want to say thank you to everybody who watches the channel, who supports the channel. It really does mean a lot. We're very close to 10,000, and I said that by the end of July 31st, if we get to 10,000, I might do a custom PS5, and it's looking like we're getting closer to that point, so that might actually come true, and that's going to be expensive as well, so I got to figure that out. But regardless, thank you guys so much for watching the channel and supporting it. Hope you enjoyed today's content. I know it's different, but I still hope you enjoyed it. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Stay awesome. Later. Oh, that was easy. Wow.